In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working Hola VPN promo code in this month. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser, then go to google.com and here in the search box just enter Hola VPN promo code and hit on search. It moves you to that web page where you can find a lot of different sites that contains promo code. You can open any of that site to check the promo code. You can scroll down all the list to see them all, but usually the best offers are on the first position here on that site. It's marked as top code, and as you can see it gives you 50% off for Hola VPN stuff. And now there you can hit at show promo code to see that code has just been copied to your clipboard, and now you can hit at use at hola.org to move to Hola VPN website and then buy their stuff. Once you are ready to pay the money, just don't forget to enter the promo code and then double check if that promo code is applied. If for some reason that promo code doesn't work, you can always go back to that or another website and here try to use another promo code. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.